two inequalities joined by the word and or the word or form a compound inequality. The first one, h greater than -2 and h less than 4, is a conjunction. So the range of h is -2 and 4. The second one, j less than -2 or j greater than 4, is a disjunction. The signal word for disjunction is the word or. For example 11, we are solving a compound inequality. This inequality is a conjunction. We're gonna subtract 2 from all three sides. We get -5 is less than, strictly less than -b, less than or equal to -1. Now we're going to divide all three sides by -1. And after we do, we have to switch the symbol, the inequality symbol. We have to reverse it. We get 5 greater than b greater than or equal to +1. If b is greater than or equal to +1, compared to b, +1 is less than or equal to b. If 5 is strictly greater than b, compared to 5, b is strictly less than 5. So it's 1 less than or equal to b, strictly less than 5. We're going to locate 5, and 5 is not included, empty circle. Then we're going to locate 1, and 1 is included, full circle, and take the values in between. Just as with equations, there are some inequalities that have no solution, and some others that has for solution all real numbers. 2 times y minus 3 is 2y minus 6, greater than 2y plus 8. Minus 2y from both sides. We eliminate the variable, and this is a closed statement. -6 is greater than 8, and this is false, no solutions. 5t plus 1 greater than or equal to 6t minus 1 minus t. 6t minus t is equal to 5t minus 1. So we get, when we subtract 5t from both sides, we get 1 is greater than or equal to -1. And this is always true because 1 is greater than -1. The solution set is all real numbers. Solve each of the following inequalities. These are conjunctions. So for number 1, we're going to add 9 to all three sides. -2 plus 9 is 7, less than or equal to 8x, less than or equal to 7 plus 9, 16. Then we're going to divide by 8. All three sides will be divided by 8. We obtain 7 over 8 less than or equal to x less than or equal to 16 over 8 is 2. Now for the set notation. The solution is equal to the set of all x such that x is largely between 7/8 and 2. For the interval notation, we're going to have an open bracket at 7/8, comma, and at 2, we're going to have a closed bracket. Number 2, we're going to subtract 5 from both sides. We get -5, strictly less than 6x, strictly less than 11 minus 5, which is 6. Then we divide all three sides by 6, -5, 6, strictly less than x, strictly less than 1. Set notation. The solution is equal to the set of all x such that x is strictly between -5/6 and 1. Interval notation. Open parenthesis at -5, 6, it's not included, comma. Close parenthesis at 1, 1 is not included. We're going to solve each of the following inequalities with the word and. We subtract 2 from all three sides. We get -1/3 minus 2. And 2 is 2/1, which is, when we multiply by 3/3, -6/3, less than -x, less than or equal to 3 minus 2 is 1. -1, -6, -7/3, less than -x, less than or equal to 1. We're going to multiply all three sides by -1. And when we do, we'll have to switch. We'll have to reverse the inequality sign. -1 times -7/3 greater than -1 times -x greater than or equal to -1 times 1. +7/3 greater than x greater than or equal to -1, which we can write -1 less than or equal to x, strictly less than 7/3. For the set notation, the solution is equal to the set of all x such that -1 is less than or equal to x less than 7/3. For the interval notation, open bracket, -1 is included, comma, 7/3, close parenthesis. In number 4, we're going to multiply all three sides by -2. -2 times 4, we reverse the inequality symbol, greater than or equal to -2 times 5y minus 6 over -2, greater than or equal to -2 times 5. -2 times 4 is -8, greater than or equal to -2 cancel. 5y minus 6 greater than or equal to -2 times 5 is -10. Now we can reverse it to write it the other way. -10 is less than 5y minus 6, which is less than -8. Add 6 to all three sides. -10 plus 6 is negative 4, less than or equal to 5y, less than or equal to negative 2. Divide all three sides by 5, negative 4/5, less than or equal to y, less than or equal to negative 2/5. Set notation. The solution is equal to the set of all y such that negative 4/5 is less than or equal to y, less than or equal to negative 2/5. Interval notation, open bracket at negative 4/5, it's included, comma, and close bracket at negative 2/5.